Hi guys, my name is Imran Chauhan and welcome to my channel. This is my second long video I'm posting on this YouTube channel of mine. Actually, I made a resolution at the beginning of this year that I'm going to post a video daily. I'm already posting short videos, so now I have decided I'm going to post long videos as well to get out of my comfort zone. So, today's topic is stop consuming and start creating. Let me tell you something that perfection, that if you start now, you will get perfect on the journey, right? If you didn't start, you just always regret. If I didn't start right now, if I always think that I don't have best camera, I don't have any mic and all of that, so I will never start. You should do something that is out of your comfort zone because we are human are very naturally blessed with such creativeness in our head and in our body. Our soul is very blessed for the creation. Look, we blessed to be a human who can control their thoughts, who can control their feeling. So why we shouldn't create something? I'm not saying that you should create content, but you can create anything. Anything means you can create clay pots or you can do drawing, sketching, whatever you want. You can start DIY projects, all of that. Just create something, utilize your inner potential. That is the key. But I am always that kind of a person who never get out of my comfort zone. I always think what other people think about. And why I started this YouTube channel to get out of what other people's going to think about me. I don't care. I'm literally getting out of my comfort zone by posting this video. I don't know what other people think about me, and it's none of my business. It's literally none of my business what they are going to say about me because it's my life. Why we always think about what other people's going to think about? Why? Why we have to think about others a lot? They are not going to think about in whole their life, right? Do the things. Even if you're not perfect, do that. I'm not perfect at speaking, as you can see, but still, I'm getting out of my comfort zone, so you can do as well. You have already all the things. You have camera phone, you have AirPods or whatever. Just start doing something. I'm not saying that you should do video creation or all of that. Create anything. Get out of your comfort zone. You know what? I'm always that kind of a person who think that I'm not able to do anything. I'm not that confident, but still getting out of your comfort zone is the best way because 90% of our confidence is down by other people. It's because we think that what others are going to think about us, what others will perceive you. It's none of your business. It's none of your business what other people think about you. Your competition is only you, right? You lives once in this earth. This is first time in your earth, right? This is your first time. So do mistakes, learn from its mistakes. Don't downgrade anyone. Oh, at their 20s, they made something like that. That make them inspiration, but not a comparison. You don't know what they are facing, and they don't know what you are facing. So stop comparing yourself. Your competition should be you. You should get better from your yesterday's version. That is the thing. And perfection comes with consistency. If you didn't start, how would you get perfect? Right? Nowadays, social media and all of these platforms has good side as well, has bad side as well. Nowadays, we adapt social media's perspectives a lot. And that is a good thing if you adapt in good perspective or bad perspective. I'm not saying that adapting some new ideas is wrong. It's okay. But you should have your own ideas as well. You should have something that is created by your powerful mind. Your mind is so powerful than these automatic AIs and all. Because we are the one who made all of these softwares and all. We are humans who create all of that thing, right? We are all the ones who create all this technology. But nowadays, these technologies are getting upside our head. They are literally destroying our attention span, which is very essential. I literally see a lot of people can't able to sit with themselves for 30 minutes. Literally 30 minutes. So now a lot of people you will be thinking that we know that our mind is so powerful, but still now there are many technologies, so why we waste our time? It's not about wasting your time. It's about getting touch with your creation, getting touch with your inner nature. That is the thing. If you are not able to sit with yourself, talk with yourself, so why this life seems to be good to you? I mean, why? You are always in a race to impress others. You are not doing anything. You are not even, you are always in a constant attention mode. You just want to grab attention of others because you are not fulfilled by yourself. You know what? You are the key. You are the one who give all the things to yourself. You don't need anyone. You don't need any outside person to be feel happy. First, find your inner happiness. Then outside people will be the addition to your happiness, not the source of your happiness. This social media, this reel and all of that are not the source of your happiness. You are the source of your happiness. Get in touch with your inner soul. Get in touch with yourself. That is the real key. And then you are able to create something. Then your mind is very powerful. You can write a story, you can do anything. Just create something. Get out of your comfort zone. Be the best version of yourself. If you like my video and if you love what I say, so follow and subscribe. Bye.